All right, I want to go over the place value chart strategy, but with subtraction. So here's the problem. 57 minus 35. So the place value chart, there's one specific difference when you're doing subtraction compared to addition. So we still make our chart, hundreds, tens, ones. I'm still using a color or a shape to distinguish my number. So I'm going to, with subtraction, the big difference between subtraction and addition when you're using this strategy is you only make the big number. That's it. So students confuse it sometimes and do the big number and small number, and they're like, wait, what? Subtraction only the big number. In this strategy, it shows you're actually taking away. It's not finding the difference. Using this strategy, you're taking away. So I make my big number, 57. 5 tens, 7 ones, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Remember, I'm doing columns of 5 so I can see the number instead of counting the number. And now I'm going to subtract 35. So start with the ones, subtracting 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Subtract the tens. 10, 20, 30. What am I left with? 2 ones, 2 tens equals 22. That's a simple version where you're just taking, there's no regrouping. Now let's change the ones and see what happens. So here we're going to let's do 55 minus 37. Okay, with students that are really good with their number sense and they find the difference, if I saw this problem, I would say, how many from 37 to 55? That's what I would do. I wouldn't do this strategy, but some students really like this because it's concrete and they can see what's happening. So anyways, again, I'm making my large number and only my large number, 55, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 55. I'm taking away 37. Okay, take away my ones first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need to take away 7. Does not work. What do I do? Uh-oh. This is where I have to regroup. Now we go in reverse. One of these tens goes to the ones, and now we have 10 ones. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so this guy's gone because he went over here. That's why I circled it. Also use a different color so it's easier to see what's happening. Now I can take away 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many do I have left? I've got 3 and 5. I've got 8 left. How many tens do I have left? There are 4 left because one of them we regrouped. Is that right? No, Mr. Chris, you forgot to do something. That's not right. So with students, if they were to do 48, how is 48? That's only, what? That's only 7 difference. Big mistake. Another reason why I say, and we say, show your strategy so we can see what the problem was. Problem is I didn't take away my tens. I did my ones, but not my tens. Now I need to take away 3 tens. Ooh. I already took away that guy because he switched over here. So 1, 2, 3. I'm left with 18. Show your work. That's why. Here I'm going to pause and then come back with using hundreds. All right, so let's go back. Now we've got some hundreds here. So with subtraction, you're only making the largest number. So I've got 225. Maybe something to get into a good routine is always starting with the ones, because when we're subtracting and when we're adding, we're starting with the ones. So maybe when I make the number, I should start with ones too. That should maybe getting into that rhythm of doing ones first. So 5 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 tens, 10, 20, 2 hundreds, 100, 200. There's my large number. Now I'm taking away. Okay? So I need to take away 7 ones. I've only got 5. Remember from the other way, we have 2. Take a 10 and give it to the ones. So 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now I can take away 7 ones. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm left with 5 and 3. 5 and 3 is 8. 8 ones. Okay, done with that. Look, I'm checking it so I don't make the same mistake like I did last time. 5 tens I need to take away. This one's already gone because we regrouped. I only got 1 10. What are we supposed to do? What did I do here? I can use 100 to go to my tens. So now 100 equals 10 tens. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. That 100 equals a 10 tens, 100. Now I can take away 5 tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Done. I've got 5 and 1. I've got 6 left. Hundreds, take away no hundreds. How many do I have left? I have 1. So my answer is 168. So this is really just a visual representation of pretty much of the standard algorithm that you and I grew up with borrowing and regrouping. That's what's going on here, but we're showing how it's going. And if you noticed in the subtraction video, I'm counting these 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. In the addition one, I said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens. It's probably better to count it as tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So the students know that these are not ones, these are actually tens. And when I counted this, I said 100, 200 instead of 1, 2, 200s. Just to really practice saying what these really are. Okay, hope this strategy helps. Sorry it was a little bit longer, but yeah, see you later.